Hello everyone. Today I'm out on my newly renovated perennial ryegrass lawn, and it's looking a little weak, a little yellow. I've got a little bit of rust spot in some areas throughout the lawn, and it's just not the deep green that it should be. So today I'm going to apply this Mastery Flagship Fertilizer. It's a 2406 and it contains 3% iron. Now that we've got the fertilizer applied at the recommended rate, I'm going to go ahead and water it in, and I'm going to water an inch of water per week, and we'll check back on the results in the next week or two. Three weeks ago I applied the Yard Mastery's Flagship Fertilizer to my lawn. It has a 3% iron in it, which is supposed to help darken it up. Let's take a look at the results. It's hard to believe that just a little over 2 months ago, this lawn was completely brown as I started my renovation project. If you guys want to see more of that and how I renovated this lawn, I'll leave a link in the description. Please check it out. As you can see, it looks like it has darkened it up quite a bit. It also made it nice and full. It's getting pretty thick. And I did water it in. I applied an inch of water from my irrigation system once per week. This is the Flagship by Yard Mastery with the 3% iron. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get yours. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.